new concept data types. See, for example, now a is equal to 5. So 5 is a number, but number here is having two different type of data type. One is int and another is float. Okay, so without a decimal point is called int. It is a representation of integer. If there is a decimal point, we call as a float. Okay, so here I have written a is equal to 5. So if I run this one, now 5 value is assigned to a. Now to know what is the type, data type of a, you have to type typ type a. Yes, now it shows it is an integer. Now b is equal to 4.5. Okay, now we can see what is the data type of b. Type b. Okay, right. So b is a float. So apart from the numbers, if you are entering any letters, it is called as a string. Now I'm assigning a string. Okay, now we can see what is the data type for c. It is a string. So there are so many data types are there that we can see detail in future classes. So as if now here we should be clear with the int, float and string. Okay, okay. Next, if you can say n1 is equal to 5, n2 is equal to 6. Okay. Print n1 plus n2. Okay, so the output we are getting is 11. Okay, now this is an integer, this is an integer, and the output is also an integer. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce uh, on data type, sorry, I'm going to introduce how to get the input from the user. See, for example, so without fixing here, I'm going to ask, instead of 5, I'm going to ask what is the number from the user. So n1 is equal to input. Okay, within this we have tried enter the first number. Okay, similarly n2 is equal to input enter the number. Second number. Okay, then print, okay, n1 plus n2. Okay, so what will be the output we expect? So what is the number we are going to get here, and what is the number we are going to get here is going to, for example, with this input, first number I'm entering 5 and second number I'm entering 6, and you expect that the output will be 11, right? But nothing, but that is not going to happen here. You see, run first number, second number and 56. Okay, so this number and this number is joined. First of all, the system thinks this is not a number, this is a string. Okay, we can prove that one. See, type n1. Okay, see, it is treated as a string. This is a string. And type n2. Okay, this is also a string. The both is not a number. Okay, so in order to convert this number into string, sorry, this and this string into a number in the same program, okay, I'm just going to add int within the quotation. Okay, same thing here, int the quotation. Okay, so what is the meaning is that, so whatever the value you are getting here, whatever the value you are getting here, that is converted to int. Okay, so whatever the value you are getting here, that is converted into int. Okay, you can try first number, second number. Now it is 7. Okay, now if you want you can check it. Type, okay, n1 thing is int. Okay, type n2, so an int. So now this is converted into int by using this command. Okay, now instead of asking, we are using 3 lines here. Okay, so we can change it into 1 line. So the same command. Okay, so instead of n1, okay, I'm going to remove the n1, and what is in the n1 I'm going to cut and paste here. Similarly, instead of n2, okay, I'm going to add this one. In the place of n2, I'm adding this one. So I no need to assign n1, n2. Okay, now we can see what is the output. Okay, so now the 3 lines, okay, I'm simplified to a single line. Okay, so now if I want to add one sentence here, the sum of the first and second number is this one, like that I want to enter. So what I'm going to do in the same thing, okay, Control C. So here I'm going to enter the sum of first and second number is, okay. So here, okay, so here I want to add two things. So first one, percentage dot 0f, and then here I'm going to add one percentage, okay, with small space, and here one open bracket and last, so one closing bracket. Okay, so what is the meaning is that, so whatever the number is here is called in here. Okay, see, 5, 4, sum of first and second number is 9. Okay, see here, percentage 0f. Okay, this is a percentage 0 represents, so this is an integer. Okay, if I put here instead of 0, if I put 1, okay, so it will be a float one. See, so 4 plus 6, 10.0. Okay, now it becomes, after the point there is one value, that is what represent here. If you put 2, okay, run 8 plus 9, 2 zeros will be there. Okay, so if you want it as an integer, you would make it 0. Okay, then this is the thing we are this is the thing we are adding to call this formula. The value in the formula is called using this one and the percentage symbol. Okay, with these two we are calling this one. Okay, so this particular program I'll be sharing you the link. It will be in my description. If you want, you can download it. Thank you for watching.